Hey guys, welcome back to Renee G TV. Today is just a real quick short video. I want to show you how to tell if your seal could possibly be bad on your home canned goods. And I have a couple different ones. This is the apple pie that we did a couple days ago that's on my channel. And then I have some green beans that I did and also some chicken. First thing you want to do is visually inspect it, make sure that the button's gone down, and you can tell on all of mine the button is down. There's another way to tell, and that is just to, well, ping the lid, just tap it. Okay, you can hear that high pitch. Well, one of my apple pies I don't think sealed very well. You hear that? You hear that's flat? USDA will tell you that if you have food touching the rim, that it's possible that that is causing that dull sound. You can see on this one, the food is touching the rim, and it makes a high-pitched sound. This one doesn't. Now, I'm not going to tell you that the seal is bad on this. It did seal down, and it was perfectly fine. It looks fine, but again, without that ting, I'm not really comfortable using that. So I've placed that in the fridge, and I'll be using that up here pretty quickly. I just wanted to bring that to you guys. I know that when I first started canning, I was a little apprehensive. You know, I'm feeding this food to my family, and I'm eating it as well. So we definitely don't want to have any issues, and that makes me feel a little better. Like I said, this might be fine, but it's not a chance I want to take, so I will use that up. I hope you guys appreciate this video. If you have any tips, leave them down below for me. And I know that my subscribers and watchers would love any tips that you guys may have. I know it's always nice to share information. And anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.